Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review, including Hipcamp, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Hipcamp, the unique outdoor booking platform review. Hipcamp offers a distinctive approach to outdoor accommodations, connecting campers, glampers, and nature enthusiasts with private landowners who open their properties for camping, glamping, and RV stays. It's a fantastic platform for those seeking a more personalized and unique outdoor experience compared to traditional, often crowded campgrounds. Whether your ideal trip involves a rustic tent campsite, a luxurious glamping getaway complete with amenities, or simply finding a place to park your RV, Hipcamp simplifies the process of finding and booking your next outdoor adventure. One of Hipcamp's most compelling features is the sheer diversity of its listed properties. From basic tent sites to fully equipped glamping locations featuring amenities such as hot tubs, Wi-Fi, and cozy cabins, the platform caters to a wide range of preferences. With listings often located in rural, off-the-beaten-path destinations, Hipcamp is perfect for travelers looking to escape the hustle and bustle of commercialized campgrounds and immerse themselves in nature. Booking your outdoor escape through Hipcamp is incredibly straightforward. The platform's user-friendly interface allows you to filter search results by experience type, desired amenities, and location, ensuring you can easily pinpoint the perfect spot for your needs. Hipcamp excels at facilitating a more flexible and intimate camping experience by directly connecting campers with landowners. This direct connection opens up opportunities to discover hidden gems and unique outdoor experiences you might not find on other booking platforms. Furthermore, Hipcamp provides valuable resources such as reviews, photos, and detailed property descriptions, allowing you to make informed decisions and know exactly what to expect upon arrival. Hipcamp caters to a broad spectrum of outdoor enthusiasts, including nature lovers, families, solo travelers, and even large groups. The platform offers a diverse range of options, ensuring there's something for everyone seeking an immersive outdoor experience. However, it's important to note that if your preference leans towards traditional, fully developed campgrounds with established facilities and amenities, Hipcamp might not be the ideal fit. For those seeking a more curated and developed campground experience, traditional options might be more suitable. In conclusion, Hipcamp presents an excellent choice for those seeking unique and personalized outdoor adventures. Its diverse listings, user-friendly booking process, and direct connection with landowners make it an invaluable resource for adventurers and camping enthusiasts alike. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and to begin planning your next outdoor escape.